Hello everyone and welcome to my flipped classroom. Today we're going to be talking about the sun, and this lesson will be probably for around 5th grade students. So the essential questions here is students will be learning about the sun and how it's important to life on Earth. The objective here is just to lay down a base of understanding and build on the knowledge that they already have of the sun. We're going to be going a little bit farther because the video gives us a little bit more, but that's just the basic idea. So, as I said, to describe how life on Earth depends on the sun's energy, that's the state standard. We're going to go a little bit farther than that, but yeah. And here's our class code for the Edpuzzle video. And then after the Edpuzzle video, we're going to move into the groups. So the different groups are, the first one is the Big Dipper group. So these guys are that group that's still working on scooping up that information. Sorry, really bad puns. So what they're going to be doing is this group is going to be practicing some true, false, and matching games on a site called Ulu that I did a video on back in the beginning of the semester. The idea here is that there's going to be repetition to get the basic ideas down so they can rattle them off quickly. We're hoping that by using a different format, they'll be able to get the information better than just through a video. The point of this is just to reinforce what they learned from the video and try to get it on a different format. So I'd say this is a DOK 1 because they're recalling information, memorizing it. They're not doing much else. For this group, this is the Orion group. It's not Orion, it's Orion. This guy is the archer, so they're going to be working on pinpointing the targets, really getting it down. So these guys are using terms and general ideas given on like a sheet. They're going to cut those things out and then paste the ideas in a concept map in whatever organizational pattern they like that helps them remember. So this activity is reinforcing and reorganizing the information that they learned in the video. So it's similar to what the Big Dipper group is, but they already know the terms and activities, but this one is just helping them remember it. So this is the DOK 2 again, organizing and categorizing ideas. This group is the Gemini group. Gemini is the twins for some people who are not astronomy nerds. So the idea here is that this group knows the information well enough that they could explain it to a twin. These guys are constructing a little rap or jingle to help them remember some of the big ideas in the sun, about the sun and why it's so important. They'll also be adding a little bit more information that they know about the sun. So if they read a book about it, anything around the classroom that they might see, they can use that to help create their little jingle, and they'll videotape it or perform it. So students in this section are improving and adding to what they've already learned. So I'd say this is still like a DOK 2 because they're relating, summarizing, and they're constructing something with the information that they already have. And the last group is the Leo group. So the Leo is Leo the lion. This group is they're hunting down new information, and it's the lion. So students in this section will be finding real life examples of how we use the sun, and they're going to be creating the sun's resume of all the things that they find. So like solar energy, farm, stuff like that. Anything that they find, they'll be putting it on his or her resume and present it like they're trying to get a job. So students here are enriching the information and applying the information that they have. So I'd say this is a DOK 3 or 4 because they're creating a logical argument by the resume. They're trying to, make themselves look good, and they're also looking for new information based on their current information because they understand the info well enough to be able to really, really build on it. So that is my 3 flipped classroom activities. Thank you very much.